we are seeing an uptick in attendance problems at our school.
With 40% of kids saying they hate school, we have to find a way in education to bring those kids to school. We got to figure out a way to make them enjoy it, at least just for a little bit.
The Gaming Concepts curriculum for me as an administrator is so powerful. It's such a powerful tool.
We teach gaming concepts in all of our high schools.
Gaming Concepts encompasses a lot of different avenues of what we'd call soft skills.
What we're trying to do is teach kids how to learn.
Some kids have never had success in school. You put them in front of a video game, they find success. Now I have a voice. Now people are listening to me.
I think people think we're teaching video games.
Right.
And that is absolutely not what we're doing. We are using video games as the hook, and we're meeting kids where they're at.
We often talk about right now in education how we want to do things that prepare kids for a world, for jobs that haven't even been created yet.
Gaming Concepts offers the way to get to these different types of careers through community, collaboration, teamwork.
A lot of these kids we're reaching that we've never had.
A lot of times these kids come to school and they don't have a why. And you have to have a why to come to school. And you know, you're not an athlete and you're not in a band or you're not in drama.
Right.
And you come to school every day and you really start asking yourself, why am I here?
Yep.
And does anybody care if I'm here?
And I'm sitting there going, you know, this was about the same time that I had a group of kids playing video games in my classroom after school and just bonding and having a great time and looking forward to that time. And I said, gosh, I feel like the answer here has something to do with gaming.
Anything to capture those kids and keep them engaged in school and get them to school right now, we need that. And gaming will do that.
There's an ecosystem here that is capturing these kids that didn't have a why for school.
Right.
And as an administrator, that's all I want is a why.
So now when we talk about Gaming Concepts, this particular curriculum, this product, and we're bringing this to school, we're solving an age-old problem that we've had for decades. That we were talking about when I was a kid going, how can I get excited about school? And here it is, right here, where they can actually take a product, plug it in, give it to a teacher and saying, here's your solution you've been looking for.
You can bring this into a building with your teachers, and it's innovative to where the students are going to be a part of something that is just bigger than them.
Through Gaming Concepts, I really feel like I have even a stronger connection with students than I've had in the past 10 years of teaching.